Alright, looks like I finally found a Zara without an HT. I didn't find it. I actually knew there was a OTIS here, but finally, I made a Zara without an HT. So this is the elevator at Zara, American Dream Mall in East Rutherford, New Jersey. And it is a HydroFit. I thought this was a Gen 2. And like all Zara's, it has like almost the same cab. It's interesting. Oh yeah, that is a cover. That's weird. Thank you. Yep. We're on to.
Oh, you're going? There's no more. That's it. Only 2.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
I'm staying on.
Ya subimos arriba, ya estamos en el sexto.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good one.
You too.
Elevator 36, capacity of 2,500 pounds. Zara needs to stop at the black cabs because every time I'm in a Zara, the elevator's beat up. Still runs well, but cab is beat up. Number 2. Let's head on back up. I don't know if I got a picture of that in time. Motor.